Hello students, in the previous video we have learned how to change the positive sentence into negative sentence and also we learned the two rules to change into the negative sentences, and in this video we are going to do the book back exercise on negative sentences, and it is in your book page number 55, in your class 5 book page number 55 only. So before that, let's recap about the two rules to change into the negative sentences. Okay. So the first rule is, if the sentence have auxiliary verb and also the main verb, means we can directly add not after it. Okay, after the auxiliary verbs we can directly add not, and then we can write the main verb as it is. Suppose in case if the sentence doesn't have a auxiliary verb in it, then that we need to use do form verbs. Then we can write not and also we can write the main verb as it is. Remember that when the sentence has a auxiliary verb and also the main verb, we can directly apply this rule, that is subject, after that auxiliary verb, after we need to write not, and we can write the main verb as it is without making any changes. Suppose if a sentence doesn't have a auxiliary verb but it has only the main verb, means that we need to use do form verbs and we need to use the not and the main verb as it is. Remember children, are you clear with it? Yes. So now let's do the exercise. Okay. So we can use the rule also. So for when we are having, suppose if we are having doubt, means we can check this rule. That is why I have written on the board. Now there are 5 questions on the board. Let's do one by one. Okay. So the first question, what is the Roman it is, what we need to do, that we read out first. Okay. Turn the positive sentences into negative sentences. So there are the 5 positive sentences. So here we need to change it into negative sentences. Okay. Let's do one by one. Mom is driving her car now. Mom is driving her car now. Here we need to check whether this sentence contains the auxiliary verb and also the main verb. If yes, then we can apply the first rule. Okay, let's check whether it has a auxiliary verb. So can you find any auxiliary verb here? Yes, that is. So after the subject we can find the auxiliary verb. So there is a verb, that is. It refers to the be form family, be form verbs. Then it is an auxiliary verb and it also has the main verb, is driving, right? Then we can apply the first rule, that is auxiliary verb. After writing auxiliary verb we need to write not and then main verb. So let's do it. Okay, I am going to write the answer, that is mom is the subject, it will come as it is. Then auxiliary verb I need to write. After writing auxiliary verb, what I need to write? Yes, I need to write not, N-O-T, not. Then the main verb as it is, driving her car now. Let me read out the sentence for you. Mom is not driving her car now. Now it is a negative sentence. So what the changes we have made here? Yes, we have written not after the auxiliary verb because it has the auxiliary verb and also the main verb. So that in between we need to write not. Now the sentence has become like the negative, like mom is not driving her car now. Okay, let's read out the second. My sister has a driving license. My sister has a driving license. Can you find the auxiliary verb here? Yes, that is has. Can you find the main verb here? Driving? No. So there is no main verb. That means here the verb has, it acts as the main verb. We have learned in the previous video that sometimes the verb has can be act as the main verb itself. Then there is no auxiliary verb here. There we can find only the main verb here. Then which rule we need to apply? Yes, we need to apply the second rule. That is, if we find no auxiliary verb in a sentence, we need to use do form verbs only. That is do, does or did. That is, I can write here do, does, did. Here this present and this is the past. Okay, so now we need to check whether they are talking about the present time event or past time event. So the verb has is a present time verb only. So directly we can use the present time verb for the from the do family. So which is the present time verb here? That is do or does. Now we need to check the subject. So the subject is my sister. So when we are talking about the single person in the present time, we need to use does only. So the answer will become like my sister. It is the subject. My sister has. Before writing has, what we need to write? Yes, do form verb, that is does. After writing do form verb, what we need to write? You can check the board. Yes, not. Does not. Then this has will become like have. Have a driving license. Driving license. Clear children? My sister does not have a driving license. It is the negative sentence. Now let's read out the third one. They have a music teacher. They have a music teacher. So can you tell me whether the verb have is acting as an auxiliary verb or the main verb? Yes, it is acting as a main verb because we can't see any other main verb here. So the have itself acting as a main verb means we need to apply the same rule, that is the second rule, no auxiliary verb. Then we need to use do form verbs. I am going to use do form verb. So have is a present time verb only. So the answer will come in the present time only. They. Then what I need to write? Do form. So for the present verb, do family will be do or does only. So which for the subject they, which present family we need to write? Yes, that is do. They do. After that I need to use not. They do not. Then this have will come as it is. They do not have a music teacher. This is the correct answer. They do not have a music teacher. Okay, so remember that there is no auxiliary verb. That is why we have used the do family verb. It's talk about the present, so we have used the do, and for the subject they, and we have written not and this have. Normally we need to write have only when we are using do, not the second rule here. So have a music teacher is the correct answer. Okay. So now let's do the fourth one. He teaches them music. He teaches them music. So here can you find any auxiliary verb? No auxiliary verb, but I can find only the main verb, that is teachers. Okay. So when we find no auxiliary verb, then we need to apply the second rule, that is do form plus not plus the main verb. Here teachers means it talks about the present time event, and for the present time the verb will be do or does only, and for the subject he we need to use does only for the present time. Then the answer will be he does. Then not. What is the main verb here? Teach. We no need to write teachers. Okay, we need to write as the we need to write the main verb as it is only the teach, not the teachers. Okay, he does not teach them music. This is the correct answer. He does not teach them music is the correct answer. Okay, let's do the fifth one. That is the last question. My father went shopping yesterday. My father went shopping yesterday. Here the sentence talking about the past time, and can you find the auxiliary verb here? No auxiliary verb, only the main verb, that is went. Went will be the past tense of go only. So here the main verb is go. Okay, but we can't find the auxiliary verb. Then which rule we need to apply? We need to apply the second rule only, that is do form. Here I already said they are talking about the past time only. Then we directly need to use did only, that is my father. After writing the subject we need to use do form, that is did. Then not. Went is the past tense of the go, main verb. So I need to write the the main verb as it is, that is go. I need to write the normal main verb only, not is the past form of the main verb. Okay. My father did not go shopping yesterday is the correct answer. Are you clear, children? So let me read out the question with the answer again. Mom is driving her car now means எங்க மம்மி இப்போ வந்து டிரைவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க, அந்த காரை இப்போ டிரைவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. The negative sentence will be like mom is not driving her car now. எங்க மம்மி இப்போ வந்து இப்போ காரை டிரைவ் பண்ணல. Okay. The second one, my sister has a driving license. It means என்னுடைய sister driving license வச்சிருக்காங்க. Okay. Negative sentence, my sister does not have a driving license. என்னுடைய sister கிட்ட driving license இல்ல. Okay. Third question, they have a music teacher. That is, அவங்க கிட்ட ஒரு music teacher இருக்காங்க. Okay. The negative sentence will be they do not have a music teacher. It means what? Yes, அவங்க கிட்ட music teacher இல்ல. அவங்க கிட்ட ஒரு music teacher இல்ல. He teaches them music. He teaches them music. அவங்க வந்து music வந்து teach பண்றாங்க. He doesn't teach them music. அவங்க வந்து music teach பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. That is the negative sentence. And fifth question, my father went shopping yesterday. That is the positive sentence. எங்க டாடி வந்து நேத்திக்கு ஷாப்பிங் போனார். My father did not go shopping yesterday. என்னுடைய father நேத்திக்கு ஷாப்பிங்க்கு போகல. Okay, this is the negative sentence only. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. So you need to by heart only these two rules to change the positive sentence into negative sentence. That is, if a sentence contains auxiliary verb as well as the main verb, you can write directly the word not in between the auxiliary and main verb. And when the sentence doesn't have an auxiliary verb, it has only the main verb, means that you need to use do form according to the time of the action, then not, then the main verb will come as it is, children. So I hope you are clear with this topic. Then I'll see you in the next video, children. Thank you.